Are you facing domestic violence charges and wondering how to defend yourself? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll explain key strategies to help you fight domestic violence allegations and protect your rights. I'm Hieu, a criminal defense attorney in Orange County. I've successfully helped many clients navigate domestic violence cases, and I'm here to provide you with the knowledge you need to build a strong defense. If you've been accused of a domestic violence, don't wait. Contact me today to discuss your case and explore your defense options. Domestic violence charges in California typically fall under Penal Code 273.5, corporal injury, or Penal Code 243E1, domestic battery. These charges apply to acts of violence or threats against intimate partners, family members, or cohabitants. Potential consequences for a conviction can lead to jail or prison time, fines and mandatory counseling programs, restraining orders that limit your contact with the alleged victim, and most of all, a criminal record, which can affect employment, housing, and child custody rights. Common defense strategies that are used against these types of charges include false allegations. In some cases, accusations may stem from ulterior motives, such as revenge or gaining leverage in divorce or custody disputes. And the reason for this is because a parent with a domestic violence or some type of child abuse allegation against them, they will have this used against them in family court. Other ways to fight this is showing lack of evidence. Remember, it's the prosecution's job. They must prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. Your attorney can challenge insufficient or unreliable evidence, including witness statements. Many times, this can involve using the evidence code to your advantage. Whether or not these phone calls come in later, it can dictate whether or not they come in or out. In many other cases, self-defense is also an issue. If you act to protect yourself or another person from harm, this could be a valid defense. Even in times where a person is accused of acting aggressively, this could be because someone trapped you and didn't let you go. There are many things that can happen. On top of that, accidental injury, demonstrating that the harm caused was unintentional, can help refute claims of deliberate violence. Many times, a person just falls down the stairs. It's important to talk to an attorney. Domestic violence cases are often emotionally charged and complex. An experienced attorney can investigate the case thoroughly, grab any type of body cam evidence, any type of notes, identify weaknesses in the prosecution's arguments, and on top of that, they can arrange with a private investigator to go out there and get the witnesses and victim re-interviewed. On top of that, they can negotiate with the prosecutor for reduced charges down to disturbing the peace or even a dismissal if it goes to the day of trial. They can advocate for you in court to achieve the best possible outcome. It's important to remember, facing domestic violence charges is serious, but having the right legal strategy can make all the difference in protecting your future. To recap, beating domestic violence charges involves understanding the law, exploring defenses like false allegations or self-defense, and working closely with an experienced attorney to challenge the prosecution's case. Acting quickly and strategically is key to your defense. If you're dealing with a domestic violence charge, contact me today. Let's work together to protect your rights and your future.